Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to remove a garbage disposal unit. Now, the tools we'll need in order to do this will be a crescent wrench, a large crescent wrench such as this, or a pipe wrench, and we will need a flat tip screwdriver. Now, we're getting ready to remove the garbage disposal. The first thing we want to do is we want to detach this main drain line. And how we would do that, this should be just hand tight. So we would loosen up this nut and pull it off, and then we would also unscrew the attach points here. So you have a locking ring here and a locking ring here. And this is very important because we don't want to remove the garbage disposal without taking this off, because the weight of the garbage disposal will actually break this pipe if we don't take this off first. And also, one thing we want to do is we'd also want to unscrew these points here and unscrew these points here. That way this neck will move up and down, and then we can easily get the play that we need to be able to move this pipe. Now, you want to leave your P-trap, so this pipe here that bends down and comes back up to your drain, there's water trapped in there, and we want to leave that in place because that water will keep sewer gases from coming out of the pipe. Okay, so once we have this part disconnected, then we want to disconnect the drain line, and you'll have a flexible line if you have a dishwasher coming into the top of your garbage disposal unit, and this will be the drain for the dishwasher. So all we have to do is loosen up the clamp, and then that just pops off. Once we have that removed and we have these other pipes that are loosened up and disconnected, then we can untwist this locking ring. Now, it's a good idea if you can to have some help in order to do this. Now, prior to this, this does have an electrical motor in this, so we always want to go to the circuit breaker panel, and we want to turn off that breaker and make sure that power is disconnected from this, because once you remove your garbage disposal, then you will need to unwire it from the base here in order to replace it out. Now, if you can come back with the same model and the same brand, then you will not have to remove this locking ring up here. Should have the same adapter. But once we unlock this and turn it counterclockwise, then the garbage disposal unit will just drop down, and then we are ready to come back in with a new one. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that is how to remove a garbage disposal unit.